Constant struggles of dog hair in your paint. Constantly picking out fuzzies, wondering where they came from when you just cleaned your project? Well, I have a solution for you. It is my secret tip before I get started with any project, and when I forget it, I'm seriously regretting it. A lint roller. Just dust yourself off with one of these if you are a proud owner of a pet of any kind that likes to shed, or are you just feeling a little dusty for the day. I promise you that it will change your chalk paint game. Chalk paint and little hairs go together like peanut butter and jelly. I promise you, every single time that you will paint, there will be a little fuzzy that you, where did it come from? You were here a minute ago. I just painted this and all of a sudden there's a fuzzy. I know that having a dog is like a necessity for any person that likes to paint furniture. So here's the tip. Just dust yourself off with a lint roller. It will totally decrease and help the amount of pet hair and dust particles and little wavy things that you don't even know where they came from. Did they fall from the sky? Did they fall off me? What happened? Where did they come from? And then you won't be stuck trying to pick it off in your brush and pick it off in your furniture, and it'll just make life a whole lot simpler. There's Rafferty Refined's tip of the day.